Are you guys hungry yet? Let's get into my honey mustard chicken and broccoli skillet. Oh, it was so good, y'all. We're going to season our bone-in chicken thighs. Of course, you can use boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but bone-in is so much more flavorful and delicious and really works really well for the cook time in the oven, and they don't dry out. So season liberally on both sides, add a drizzle of olive oil, and then you're going to really massage the seasoning into the meat. I would love for you to marinate this for at least an hour or up to overnight if you have the time. If not, let's go ahead and sear it off in a cast iron skillet on both sides until gorgeously brown, just like this. Then we're gonna remove it from the pan, add our onion, garlic, and deglaze with some broth. I use beef broth, that's what I had. Use chicken broth if you have it. Go ahead and add some milk, mustard, honey, and then some salt and pepper. Of course, add the broccoli in and then add in the chicken thighs right on top of that gorgeous sauce. Here's the part. We're gonna go ahead and just like bake it in the oven, right? Of course, you can cook it on the stove top, but you can forget it in the oven for a couple of minutes and do something else. Once it's done in the oven, it looks like this. I like to spoon the sauce all over the chicken and then serve it up. If you like your broccoli, here's a note. If you like your broccoli a little bit crunchier, add it at the end of the cook time in the oven when you have about like 5 or 7 minutes left. The broccoli here is almost like infused in the sauce, which is what I was going for. So it's very, very soft and tender. If you're going for a crunchy broccoli, then definitely cook the broccoli for less time in the oven. So that's a little tip. I served it with mashed potatoes, buttery garlic, Parmesan cheese mashed potatoes. It was so bomb, you guys. Like the flavor was next level. You really tasted that honey mustard flavor throughout. The sauce was good enough to drink on its own. Oh, so bomb.